Wizkid and Ice Prince share pictures of their sons playing together. What do Ice Prince's son and Wizkid's son have in common? Well, apart from having superstar fathers, the toddlers are cute as buttons. Jamal and Buluwatife had a kiddo's day out last weekend. Ice Prince recently shared pictures of him chilling with his son Jamal and Wizkid's son Buluwatife. The Nigerian rapper took time off his busy schedule to spend time with his son Jamal and Wizkid's son Buluwatife. He posted a picture with the caption, "Time out with the boys, Wizkid and Ice Prince."